Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of the grid line called, I believe, golden spirals or something like that. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I would like to show you the actual difference, the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset the settings, we have to basically enter the settings. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings right here. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. Let's tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So just tap on OK. And as you can see, all of the settings, let's say, blinked a little, flashed a little. So now we can go back to the camera, and as you can see, this is actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got this and this info, welcome to camera, which will appear if you will turn on the camera for the very first time. You will have to agree to the terms and so on and so on. So just tap on agree, and again we've got the evidence because we've got the camera location, and finally we are on the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which means that for sure we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera options in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.